How to use battery sound notification. First is download the app called Battery Sound Notification. Then open the app. Click the Hear This Plus on the top. Then on the mode click the plug. Then click File Explorer. Choose sound you want to use. You can use sound from video or you can reckon sound that you want to use. For me, I want to use this Ho Ho Chom of J-Bum sound. Then save. Then just repat. On mode, choose the unplugged, then choose sound you want to use, then save. Done. You already have sound. Here's mine.
나 유겸이요. 유겸둥이.